Vitara Brezza is one of the highest selling compact SUVs in the Indian market, and Maruti Suzuki has decided to launch it with an automatic variant. This is the AGS version of the Vitara Brezza. It comes with a 5-speed Magneti Marelli AMT transmission, mated of course to the 1.3 litre diesel. And I'm going to be telling you everything there is to know about this new unit. So I'm driving around in the new Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza AGS. Essentially this is an automatic transmission on the Vitara Brezza, and it has been a long time coming. In fact, Maruti Suzuki has launched it at a time when Tata has also brought in their Nexon AMT, and both of these compact SUVs will be going head to head in the growing Indian market.
Aside from the AMT gearbox, Maruti is also offering all black interiors and glossy black finish on the alloy wheels of the new Vitara Brezza. Another update is the new autumn orange paint scheme. Maruti has standardized a few features on the new Brezza, and the list includes dual front airbags, reverse parking sensors, ABS with EBD, high speed alert, seat belt pretensioner, force limiter and child seat isofix mounts.
Now this AMT unit is a 5-speed transmission from the house of Magneti Marelli, and this transmission is similar to other units that are found on various models of Maruti Suzuki. The AGS unit on the Vitara Brezza has been mated to the 1.3 litre diesel engine. This engine puts out approximately 89 bhp at 4000 rpm and approximately 200 Newton meters at 1750 rpm. The engine is peppy and punchy, and when mated to this AGS unit it feels rather smooth, especially if you are ambling around in city traffic. If you're driving at speeds of 50-60 and are not in a hurry, then you will barely notice gear shifts. The transmission only upshifts or downshifts when required, and that is the beautiful aspect of it. This diesel feels very smooth. Now if you're driving on highways, the transmission definitely holds the gears. Upshifts come in at about 4500 rpms if you are flooring it, but at part throttle the upshift can come anywhere between 1750 rpm to 2000 or 2500 rpm. It completely depends on the driver's inputs. The transmission responds very quickly to driver inputs, and that is something that is actually delightful. When you're driving a diesel engine, the transmission will immediately sense in case you need to downshift on part throttle, and when you are slower and suddenly you floor it and you're at a higher gear, the gear shift comes almost instantaneously and the vehicle gets going in a hurry. Now upshifts come at about 4500 rpm, but as you can see I'm getting jerked around a little bit, and that is because the transmission takes some time to change the gear and of course the revs to build up to where peak torque is achieved and then eventually where peak power is achieved.
The Vitara Brezza also offers the driver a great point of view of the road ahead, and it is quite comfortable to navigate this SUV around city traffic. Just like the diesel manual option, the AMT on the Brezza is also offering consumers the same 24.3 km per litre of fuel average. The Brezza also gets a ground clearance of 198 mm, while boot space on the SUV stands at 328 litres. As a package, the Brezza offers a lot of prime features and at a lucrative price point of Rs 10.27 lakhs for the top spec model. Prices for the Brezza AGS start from 8.54 lakh ex-showroom Delhi.
Speaking of money, Maruti Suzuki will not be offering the automatic with the LDI variant of the Vitara Brezza.
The new Vitara Brezza continues to be an extremely comfortable compact SUV with ample of in-cabin seating comfort and space. The feature list on the Vitara Brezza also comprises of automatic climate control, cruise control, automatic headlamps, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, reverse parking camera, electrically operated and retracted ORVMs, keyless entry, push button start stop, rain sensing wipers and plenty of storage spaces.
So to sum things up, Maruti Suzuki has tuned the AGS unit very well. For city driving it is ideally suited, for highways as well it is decent and performs decently well. We will definitely let you know how it fares up with other contenders in the coming videos. But until then, please do stay tuned. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's it from our side. We hope you liked this review. If you did, please remember to like, share and subscribe to the Autotech Review channel for more from the automotive industry. If you have any queries or comments, please feel free to hit us up in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and until the next time, bye-bye.